Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with GoodBudget, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your GoodBudget app. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom. Here, you'll see your envelope list. To create a new budget envelope, tap the plus icon. Name your envelope based on your specific budget category, like groceries or savings. Set a budget amount for the envelope. You can also choose a color to easily identify the envelope later. After filling in the details, tap Save to create the envelope. Next, return to the home screen. To add money to your envelope, tap on the envelope you just created. Select the Add Cash option. Enter the amount you want to allocate to this envelope. Confirm your entry by tapping Add. Now, let's record an expense. From the envelope screen, tap Spend Money. Choose the envelope from which you want to deduct funds. Enter the amount spent and add a note if necessary. Tap Spend to finalize the transaction. To view your budget progress, navigate back to the home screen. Select the Reports tab to see charts and summaries of your spending. This will help you track how well you are sticking to your budget. For editing existing envelopes, go back to the Accounts tab and tap the envelope. You can also set up recurring budgets if you have regular expenses. To do this, select Recurring under the envelope settings. Remember to review your budgets regularly for any adjustments needed. That's how you can budget effectively using GoodBudget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.